RXRX stock analysis and RXRX stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially as I'm looking at Recursion Pharmaceuticals with 5% correction today for Friday. I mean, having done myself 42,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, especially with RXRX. This is where it's sitting at. So beforehand, I cut out the exact sell that I got here, and I'm in the pending one as of now. You know, and having done so many previous receipts in the Discord. Now, if you want to stay tuned with RXRX and want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights. It's absolutely free. But moving back with RX, well, I'm sticking to it. You know, I said I wanted to see a double break, seeing that happening, risk-free already. So yeah, that's it. Like, I'm not going to change a thing. I'm going to keep having it on the chart like beforehand. And it's only for now and not forever. And keep in mind, this is very subjective. So please do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. See you in the next one. Goodbye, Ninja.